Fun Finance, we are here at Sea Breezes at Divi Resorts, right across the street from Eagles Beach. We about to go in here and have breakfast. Come on, let's go. Let's go check it out. Full Fun Finance, we are here. We about to dig in. It's breakfast time. It's the meal of a champion. So I got an omelet freshly made. It's cheesy too. See that drip? Most definitely cheesy. So make our little sandwich, wheat toast, try to be somewhat healthy. It's real nice here. They got they got it caged in, but somehow the birds are still getting in. And then the pool is back there with another bar. And it sounds like they're doing aerobics. That omelet was good. So this is like a tart, some type of pastry. It has like cream cheese in the middle. That's good too. So it was a lot of the pastries lined up, but it was a lot of these missing. So I know these had to be good. Bacon not too salty. That's good. Potatoes are good. Got a real rich flavor to it. I don't think that's 100% orange juice. I think it's mixed with pineapple juice too. Food for finance, you already know how I do. French toast, syrup. No time to play. They sound like they're getting their workout on over there. I'm getting mine right now too. These pastries, though, I'm a big fan of. Somebody back there making some real good pastries. So food from finance. I went and got me a second omelet. But we're running low on time, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you the review right quick. Environment, ain't nothing to say. We're in Aruba, look at the background. Food from finance is a lifestyle, baby. So, that being said, 5.0. Customer service, oh yeah, we're gonna run it down. Environment, customer service, food, and pricing. So, environment, awesome, really awesome. I really like it. 5.0. Customer service, 5.0. We're at a restaurant inside of the Divi Resort. There's sections to the Divi Resort. I forgot which section this is. This is a particular section of the Divi Resort because it's branched off into different sections. This is part of the main entrance though. It's one of the first hotels you probably see when you come in. You may not actually see it, it's ducked off, but you'll see the sign. So, customer service, 5.0. Food, I give it a 4.8. I don't think y'all ever heard me say that. The only thing that threw me off was the raisins and the French toast. Everything else I think was real good. I went and got me another omelet. So everything was real good, especially for breakfast. 4.8. It's an all-you-can-eat breakfast buffet. That segue, that pushes us into the pricing. So the pricing is $22 per person, which I think is a fabulous price. Basically, for all you can eat, that's pretty darn good. And especially for the caliber of the food, you get your omelets made, fruit. It's like a little upscale continental breakfast, as you can say, but you're really paying for the view. Most definitely, this has been a good experience. I really like this as a breakfast place. I thought to myself, shoot, we could have came here every day, but you know, we're doing multiple places for you, so when you come and visit, you know what your options is and what's good and what's not. If it's a go or if it's a no. Most definitely. So with that being said, Food from Finance, we are done. Make sure you check out all our videos on Aruba and stay tuned for the next trip.